My name is Karim Mayour. In this video, I am going to tell you about the future of video editing, the best AI editors you should try in 2024. There are numerous artificial intelligence tools on the market that can help you with specific video-related tasks. Some of them enhance your existing video footage, while others generate entirely new videos based on your text input. Before starting the video, I want to thank vidtoon.com, which gave me the AI voice cloning facility for this video. Check video description for more information. Synthesia is the absolute pioneer in AI video generation. Using their intuitive online platform, you can create videos with human presenters by simply typing in text. You can choose between 125 avatars based on real actors who can speak your words in 120 languages. Runway. Video editing used to be a tedious and lengthy process, but it no longer requires technical skills or expensive software. Runway makes it super easy to edit and enhance your existing video footage. Runway makes it super easy video footage, add subtitles and more. Unscreen helps you remove background from your videos, and to do it automatically. Instead of picking out pixels and selecting colors and masks manually, Unscreen analyzes videos automatically. It detects even the smallest details, so the results are super accurate. And the price, you can use it for free with some limitations. VREW uses AI to generate captions from speech in your video. Its fast speech recognition replaces tedious manual transcription, and you can easily edit the auto-generated captions. Besides, it allows you to style the captions using different fonts, borders, and shadows. It's worth noting that this is a downloadable software. Descript is a comprehensive AI video editor that lets you create professional-looking videos in a snap. You can use it to add various visual elements, titles and captions, animate layers, and more. Using Descript, you can add a voiceover to your video. They offer a variety of stock voices, and you can also clone your own. A limited free plan is available. Nova AI is a video categorization and organization tool that helps you find and categorize videos more easily. It recognizes and tags different elements of your videos: faces, expressions, objects, activities, celebrities. It's a great tool for organizing all kinds of video collections. You can start using it for free. Reface. Face swap videos. The Face Swap mobile app is a fun and easy way to swap faces with friends or celebrities, or insert your face into a pre-made video. It uses face swap technology, which allows you to swap faces in real time using a camera. It also offers a number of filters, GIFs, and funny videos. Topaz Video AI. If you have existing video footage and want to enhance it, using AI, it's great for upscaling, denoising, and restoring your old videos. It can recover video details, blend frames, create a nice visual flow, and much more. Make a Video is Meta's latest AI system that enables users to create videos by typing in text. The videos are automatically generated based on the text entered and can be shared online or downloaded. Before the number one tool, I request our new friends to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. HeyGen. One of the key features of HeyGen is its ability to synthesize videos based on text descriptions or scripts. By providing a written narrative or description of the desired video, users can generate compelling visual content with just a few clicks. This functionality is particularly useful for content creators, marketers, and businesses looking to produce